Hello everyone, welcome back to the EVS class of class 5th. I am Bhagrashri Gupta. Today I will explain lesson 3 and the lesson name is Different Games We Play. In this chapter I will explain the following topics: types of games, indoor games and outdoor games, single player games and team games, team spirit, national games, national game of India, local games, category of games, gender bias, other means of recreation. Playing games help to keep our body fit and strong, both physically and mentally. It is perhaps one of the best means of recreation. A game is an activity or sport usually involving skill, knowledge or chance in which you follow fixed rules and try to win against an opponent or to solve a puzzle. Children love to play games. Even many of the grown-ups love to play games. Types of games: indoor games, outdoor games. Indoor games. Games like carom, ludo, chess and table tennis are played indoors. Indoor games require skill and ready wit. Students, there are two types of games. First, indoor games and second, outdoor games. Games that we play inside our house are called indoor games like carom, ludo, chess and table tennis. We play these games with the members of our family or you can play with friends from the neighborhood. But nowadays, children like to play computer games and video games inside the home. They are not taking interest to play outdoor games. Indoor games enhance coordination and promotes self-confidence. Here you can see few pictures of indoor games. Carom, there are 4 players. Ludo, in Ludo 4 players can play together, but in this picture only 2 students are playing the Ludo. Chess, in chess only 2 players play the chess. Table tennis, as you can say, in table tennis also only 2 persons can play at once. Outdoor games. Games like football, cricket, hockey and lawn tennis are played out in the open. Outdoor games require physical fitness, strength, speed and stamina. Students, games that we play outside of the house are called outdoor games. Often we play it in a field like football, cricket, hockey, lawn tennis. For outdoor games, we require a large play area because we play it with a team. Here are few pictures of outdoor games. Football, it is a team game. Cricket also, I hope you all see cricket. Hockey, it is also a outdoor games. Lawn tennis, single player games. There are certain games that you play with your partner. These are known as single player games. Games like chess, tennis, chess, wrestling, golf, swimming, billiards, and golf are some such games. In single player games, each one assumes his or her responsibilities and takes the blame or credit as the case may be. Here are the few pictures of single player game. Billiards, it is also known as a snooker. Swimming, as you can see in the picture, that there are four players, they are swimming. Golf, at once only one player can play. Team games, games like football, cricket, volleyball, basketball, baseball, and hockey are team games. A group of players form a team. Two teams are formed. One team plays against the other. Students, the numbers of players in a team is different for different games. Hockey, football, and cricket teams consist of 11 players each, whereas a basketball team has 5 players. There can be a total of 6 on the floor in a volleyball team. A team is always led by a team leader or captain. In every team games, there is a sports instructor or coach teaches the rules and regulations of the various games to the children, and watch also that games are played in a fair manner or not. Team spirit. Team spirit is about willingness to cooperate as a part of a team, respecting teammates, supporting them, and most importantly, encouraging them. Team spirit is an attitude that enables people to work well together. It is the spirit of a group that makes the members want to group to succeed above any personal goals. With team spirit, players enjoy the game even more. They learn more from each other's experiences. Whenever we work in team, we should never think that it is not my work, it others' work. National games. A national sport or game is a sport or game that is considered to be an intrinsic part of the culture of a nation. Students, every country has a national game. Ahead you will see the list. National game of India. Hockey is the national game of India. The peak time of Indian hockey was from 1928 to 1956, when it brought all the 6 consecutive Olympic gold medals home. Hockey is the national game of India. The National Sports Day in India is celebrated on 29th August on the birth anniversary of hockey player Major Dhyan Chand Singh, who won gold medals in Olympics for India in the year 1928, 1932 and 1936. Means altogether you can say he won gold medal for India 3 times. Here is a list of the national games of a few countries. Let's start. USA, baseball. Spain, bullfighting. Canada, ice hockey. New Zealand, rugby union. India, hockey. Pakistan, field hockey. Bangladesh, kabaddi. Sri Lanka, volleyball. Russia, football and chess both. China, table tennis. Brazil, football. France, football. England, cricket. Japan, judo. Australia, cricket. Pakistan, hockey. Malaysia, badminton. Scotland, rugby football. Indonesia, badminton. Bhutan, archery. Switzerland, shooting and gymnastics. Turkey, wrestling and jared. Local games. Local games are traditional games played in certain regions. They are simple and do not require any expensive equipment. Equipment means the things that help in playing. Kho-Kho and Kabaddi are two of the most popular traditional games in India. Games that we play in a particular area or region are called local games, and in this type of games no need of any expensive equipment or things to play. Kho-Kho. Kho-Kho is a kind of run and chase game. Each team consists of 12 players, but only 9 players take the field. A match consists of 2 innings. Players sit in a row in a zigzag manner. Kho-Kho is a popular tag team game invented in Maharashtra. An inning consists of chasing and running turns of 9 minutes each. One team sits or kneels down in the middle of the court. The team that takes the shortest time to tap all the opponents in the field wins. One thing, students, you have to keep in your mind that one team has 12 players but only 9 enters in the field, means at once only 9 players can play. Here you can see the picture of Kho-Kho. As you can see that the players are seated in a zigzag manner. Kabaddi. Kabaddi is another popular traditional game. Two teams occupy opposite halves of a field. They take turns sending a raider into the other half to win points by tackling the members of the opposing team. Students, Kabaddi is a contact team sport. Players are taken out of the game if they are tagged or tackled, but they are brought back in for each point scored by their team from a tag or tackle. It is popular in the Indian subcontinent and other surrounding Asian countries. Each team must have a minimum of 10 players and a maximum of 12 players in its match day playing squad. 7 players shall take the ground at a time, and the remaining 3 to 5 players shall be substitutes. Wrestling is one of the traditional martial arts of India. Martial art is a form of art of self-defense or attack. Judo, karate, and taekwondo are a few other martial arts played worldwide. Worldwide means all over world. Wrestling, sport practiced in various styles by two competitors, involving forcing an opponent to touch the ground with same part of the body other than his feet, forcing him into a certain position, usually on his back, or holding him in that position for a minimum length of time. Wrestling is conducted in various styles with contestant upright or on the ground or mat. Here you can see few pictures of the self-defense, or you can say form of wrestling. This is the picture of wrestling. Judo, karate, taekwondo. Boat races. Boat races are common in Kerala. Many teams participate in the rowing, race in the river or lake, competition to win the race. The boat can accommodate up to 100 rowers, 4 navigators, and about 25 singers. Students, boat races held during Onam season, the harvest festival of Kerala. Boat is shaped like a snake and also called snake boat. It is a long canoe style boat that is used by the people in Kerala to participate in the racing competitions on the backwaters. This is a historical war boat of Kerala which is about 100 to 120 feet long and can hold up to 100 rowers. Rower means the people who holds two oars, one in each hand. Navigator is a person in a boat who decides the direction in which the vehicle travels. And singers mean people who sing aloud to cheer them. Here you can see the picture of boat, snake boat race in Kerala. Now this is also one more picture. Category of games. There are games like tennis and badminton in which both men and women play together as a team. This category is called mixed doubles. Students, in ancient time, there were separate teams for women and men for all sports, but gradually means slowly time changed. Few games like tennis and badminton in which both men and women play together as a team, and this category is known as a mixed doubles. Here you can see that badminton they are playing and men and women both are playing. Gender bias. Participation in the ancient Olympic Games was limited to male athletes only. The only way women could take part was to enter horses in the equestrian events. There are records suggesting that several winning women horse owners and the owner of the horse teams were credited with the victory. However, they were often not present at the events. In olden days, girls were not allowed to go out for education as well as games. Girls were bound to do kitchen work, and boys were allowed for education as well as games. In Olympic, women could take part was to enter horses in the horse riding events. There were women who were the owners of horses. They won also, but they have not gone to take the credit or in other way to take award. Women participated for the first time at the 1900 in lawn tennis and golf. Women's athletics and gymnastics started at the 1928 Olympics. In 2012, women's boxing was introduced. The Indian women's cricket team is not very popular in India. However, it is one of the top teams in the world. Today, there is no sports that do not include events for women, but the participation of women in games and sports is still not taken seriously. The Indian women's cricket team is not very popular in India because media coverage for women's game is also less. Indian women's cricket matches are not broadcast like the men's matches on various television channels. There are no advertisement and announcement for Indian women's cricket matches. Other means of recreation. to listen music, to watch television, to play video games. Any activity that we do in our leisure time entertain us. In our busy schedule, we should keep a few hours to relax, to entertain ourselves. Nowadays, there are various means of recreation. Sometimes we fed up by doing one work. So, to relax ourselves, we do different things. We listen songs on the radio, reading story books entertain us. It is also a very good habit. Television has become the most popular means of recreation today. There are separate channels for news, musical programs, sports, movies, etc. Today, children also play video games and sometimes they play on mobile also. If you want to refresh your body and mind, you can do so many things, like you can visit your friends, you can visit the zoo, or any other way, the way you want to do. It is the explanation of lesson 3. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.